My Focus YouTube channel welcomes you all to learn the sound zh. Zh. The zh sound is articulated with the tip and front of the tongue close to the back of the teeth ridge. The air escapes between the tongue and back of the teeth ridge. Keep in mind the vocal cord vibrates. Now practice zh sound with me. Zh. Zh, 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 zh. Now let us pronounce zh sound in the middle position. Here are the words listed. Now you will be wondering, why did I start with middle position? Keep in mind, zh sound words are not there in the initial position. Let us practice these words. Decision, usual, television, vision, version, conclusion, luxury, conversation, enclosure, invasion, treasure, casual. Now let us see the zh sound in the final position. Here are the list of words. Barrage, garage, rouge, prestige, camouflage, message. Now let us practice a few sentences with zh sound. I usually do not watch television. Should I dress casually for this occasion? It is difficult to measure how much erosion has occurred. The president's decision caused some confusion. The zh sound requires a lot of practice, dear viewers. Practice it continuously. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.